All right, fam. Let's take a collective breath together. Inhale through the nose, slow and deep. And then exhale through the mouth. Let everything go. We're right in the middle of the week and in the middle of some powerful cosmic movement. Solar flares, energetic upgrades, emotional downloads, you name it. It's easy to feel stretched thin or a little ungrounded right now. So today isn't about pushing forward. It's about tuning back in. So close your eyes if you can, if you're able. I combine the two. Bring one hand to your heart, one to your belly, and just feel your inhale travel between the two. A bridge of light connecting your mind and your body. Now imagine a soft, golden violet current flowing down through your crown, clearing static, balancing your field. With each breath, repeat softly in your mind, I release what's not mine. I return to center. I realign with my source. Just stay here for a few breaths and notice how quickly the body remembers peace when you give it permission. I release what's not mine. I return to center. I realign with my source. You don't have to wait for the weekend to reset. You can recalibrate right here, right now, with one conscious breath. Because alignment isn't an achievement, it's a practice, a constant practice. It's micro moments like this that keep your frequency clear enough to recognize synchronicity and flow and divine timing when they show up. So whenever you feel static build this week, come back to the simple rhythm. Breathe, balance, remember. You're not behind, you're not late, you're exactly where your energy needs you to be. And if you're ready to deepen this kind of energetic clarity beyond the micro movements, that's exactly what we do inside Loc'd in Healing. From quantum alchemical healing and quantum quickies to mentorship containers that meet you where you are. Every session helps you tune back to your own frequency. Remember your roots. Realign with your source. And have an amazing everything.